If sensitive teeth are making it hard to enjoy your favorite foods, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best toothpastes designed to reduce sensitivity while keeping your teeth strong and healthy. We upload quality reviews daily to help you make the best buying decisions. So stick around and let's find the perfect solution for you. Number 1. Colgate Total Deep Clean Toothpaste. Toothpastes designed for sensitive teeth tend to be pricier than regular toothpastes. Opting for this one by Colgate can save you a few bucks, and it contains the form of fluoride, stannous fluoride, that not only protects against cavities, but also decreases sensitivity. What's more, the tube is slightly larger, making it an even better value. For us, this toothpaste did everything it's supposed to do. It gave the whole mouth a deep cleaning and had our teeth feeling smooth and sleek, all without increasing sensitivity. We like the pleasant flavor and feel, and we even like how the formula is white, so any mess on the bathroom counter is less of an eyesore than blue gel formulas. This toothpaste can best be described as basic. It does what toothpastes are supposed to do, but it doesn't go above and beyond. We also found ourselves wishing the mild taste was a tad bit stronger. Number 2. Twice Oral Wellness Toothpaste with Fluoride. Potassium nitrate is considered the best ingredient for tooth sensitivity, and it's the second ingredient in this toothpaste, right behind sodium fluoride. Together, the two reduce cavities and hypersensitivity. It's also vegan-friendly and formulated with other ingredients that support oral health, such as anti-inflammatory vitamins and aloe. So, it's pretty much designed to combat most, if not all, oral care concerns. Our editor with sensitive teeth found the effectiveness of this twice toothpaste comparable to Sensodyne. Where it really shined, however, was improving bad breath. Our editor noticed a drastic improvement in breath freshness, especially when combating coffee breath. Overall, we really enjoyed the taste and smell, and it worked effectively to keep the whole mouth feeling clean. The consistency becomes very watery once you start brushing, which can become messy. It also didn't do much for teeth whitening. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Essentials Whiten and Strengthen Fluoride Toothpaste. After the very first use, we were amazed by this toothpaste. With its affordable price, it was already off to a good start, but its effectiveness really impressed us. Our editor with sensitive teeth finds many toothpastes too aggressive, but this one was surprisingly gentle. What's more, it didn't increase sensitivity at all. In fact, it gave a thorough clean, whitened teeth and made our teeth feel stronger. It's a fluorinated toothpaste for cavity protection, but in true Arm & Hammer fashion, it also contains baking soda, which has tooth whitening properties. According to a 2017 review in the Journal of the American Dental Association, baking soda toothpaste effectively removes stains and whitens teeth, and it's less abrasive. The mint flavor of this toothpaste is very subtle, which was a plus for our editor, but some prefer something with more punch. As a whitening toothpaste, it may also be too abrasive for some with very sensitive teeth. Number 4. Colgate Sensitive Prevent and Repair Toothpaste. If you're looking for maximum strength effectiveness for reducing hypersensitivity, Ashery Campbell, DMD, a dentist at Circle City Dentists of Sebring in Sebring, Florida, says to give this one a go. It contains the highest allowed levels, 5% of potassium nitrate, the active ingredient that offers serious protection against sensitive teeth. Our editor, who has very sensitive teeth and has tried many toothpastes in hopes of experiencing improvement, says this is the best toothpaste for sensitive teeth she has tried. It's refreshing and gives the mouth a smooth, cleaning feeling, but most importantly, it really works. Other toothpastes she's tried have had one downside or another, but this one checks all the boxes. It's pleasant to use, feels and tastes great, and yields results. It even helped whiten teeth, which can be hard to find in a toothpaste for sensitivity. Number 5. Sensodyne Extra Whitening Toothpaste. There's a reason why Sensodyne is the most recommended toothpaste for sensitive teeth by dentists. It works, and it's vetted by experts. Kristen Clement Oldham, DMD, a dentist with Clement Family Dental in St. Petersburg, Florida, says that it's her top recommendation because it's specifically created with sensitivity in mind. While there's no shortage of Sensodyne toothpastes to choose from, they're not all formulated with the same active ingredients. This one contains the maximum amount of potassium nitrate allowed, which has been shown to significantly decrease tooth sensitivity. We noticed whiter teeth after just a few days of using this toothpaste, and after several weeks, there was a subtle but noticeable difference in overall sensitivity.